Hello, everyone. My name is Abram Krebs, and today I'm going to help you with the default saving format on Excel. There seems to be some issues where you're opening up your Excel document, you're creating something, and then you go to save it, and by default, it comes up with this Book 1 may contain features not compatible with this format. I'm going to show you how to solve this problem real quickly. We're going to say, no, we don't want to choose this format. We're going to actually go back here to the document. I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to click on the File option. We're going to come down here to More. We're going to click on Options. We're going to choose Save. Under the Save Workbooks option, we're going to come to where it says Save Files in this format, and it incorrectly says Open Document Spreadsheet. We're going to change that to say Excel Workbook. We're going to click OK, and now when I go to save this document, it will save it correctly. So I'm going to go here to File. I'm going to choose Save. Here's my OneDrive. Call it AA Test. I'm going to click the Save option, and now you'll see that it's correctly saving that document. Any questions on how to correctly save